Good evening. The tape says 500 coins scanned today, 73 crossed the desk's line.
Let's start with the giant on the board, ONG. Our measurement shows it rose up 150.2% in the last 24 hours, trading $203 million in volume with a turnover of 1.8 times its market cap.
That is a violent move. What are we actually looking at? Is this infrastructure or just noise?
According to the dossier, ONG is Ontology Gas. It's a utility token on the Ontology mainnet which launched in 2018, used specifically for on-chain services while its sibling ONT handles staking. The move isn't fresh this hour, but the volume suggests active deployment or speculation on that dual token model.
Moving to the other side of the ledger RE, it fell down 5.1% in the last 24 hours, with a massive $479 million in volume and turnover hitting 5.7 times its market cap.
RE is Reinsurance Protocol, an internet-native marketplace connecting capital providers to licensed insurance entities for real-world assets. That 5.7 times turnover is extreme leverage for a governance token in the insurance sector. It suggests heavy churning of collateral rather than long-term holding.
Now let's look at stability. FIDD, the stablecoin from Fidelity, was flat at 0% in the last 24 hours. Volume sat at $122 million with turnover at 2.5 times market cap.
FIDD is pegged 1-to-1 to the United States dollar and issued by Fidelity Digital Assets. The flat line confirms the peg held during this scan, though that 2.5 times turnover indicates significant internal rebalancing or arbitrage activity keeping it anchored.
Then we have NPC. It rose up 31.9% in the last 24 hours, but volume was only $8 million with a thin turnover of 0.1 times market cap.
NPC is non-playable coin, a meme NFT hybrid on Base and BNB chain inspired by the Wujak meme. The low turnover confirms this is likely a mirage, a thin move driven by speculation rather than substantive network activity.
Finally, JAI. It rose up 7.3% in the last 24 hours, trading $192 million with turnover at 1.7 times market cap.
DeGai is DGrid AI, a decentralized infrastructure network providing an OpenAI-compatible interface for over 200 models. The measured move reflects standard volatility in the AI gateway sector, distinct from the meme energy of MPC or the utility demand of ONG.
We threw out MPC as a mirage due to its thin volume and meme origin. We circled ONG for its massive relative expansion and RE for its high leverage turnover in the insurance sector.
We measured the peg on FIDD and the infrastructure activity on DeGai, keeping the focus on what the chain actually recorded today.
We don't hype it, we measure it, the chain never closes. That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping, the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.